Exodus 22, verse 16 to 31. Social responsibility. If a man seduces a virgin who is not pledged to be married and sleep with her, he must pay the bride price, and she shall be his wife. If her father absolutely refused to give her to him, he must still pay the bride price for a virgin. Do not allow a sorceress to live. Anyone who has sexual relationship with an animal is to be put to death. Whoever sacrifices to any god other than the Lord must be destroyed. Do not mistreat or oppress a foreigner, for you were foreigners in Egypt. Do not take advantage of the widow or the fatherless. If you do, and they cry out to me, I will certainly hear their cry. My anger will be aroused, and I will kill you with the sword. Your wives will become widows, and your children fatherless. If you lend money to one of the people among you who is needy, do not treat it like business deal. Charge no interest. If you take your neighbor's cloak as a pledge, return it by sunset, because the cloak is the only covering your neighbors has. What else can they sleep in? When they cry out to me, I will hear, for I am compassionate. Do not blaspheme God or curse the ruler of your people. Do not hold back offerings from your granaries or your vats. You must give me the firstborn of your son. Do the same with your cattle and your sheep. Let them stay with your mother for 7 days, but give them to me on the 8th day. You are to be my holy people, so do eat the meat of an animal torn by wild beasts. Throw it to the dogs.